Welcome back to Ninjas in Nature, and today we're going to be talking about how to cook with fire. Well, we got Mr. Hand, my right-hand man here, and he's going to show us a few things about cooking with fire. Looks like he's got himself a marshmallow, and he's got himself a cooking stick. That's a pretty puny stick. I'm not so sure that's going to work. Let's see what happens here. And he's cooking that marshmallow in the fire, and that thing is looking pretty charred. It's looking kind of scary too to me. I'm not so sure that's going to work, Mr. Hand. Let's take two. So one thing to remember that's really important is that fire burns and coals cook. So if you get a chance, burn that fire down till you have some really nice coals like Mr. Hand's got right here. That's looking pretty good. Now he's got his throwing stick, and oh yeah, look at this. He's going to use the other end of that for cooking, I believe. This time he's got some dough, so he's going to try to cook him some dough on the coals today. He's making a nice little worm there and wrapping it around the stick. Check that out. Sealing it all up really well. And look at that, he's cooking it on the coals, slowly turning it and roasting it, not burning it like that marshmallow. This is looking pretty good. Look at that, golden brown, just like you want. Oh, and he's going to slather some butter on that thing. Check it out, he pulls it out and he's got a little pocket in there. Oh yes, and of course, the honey bear. What could be better than that? Bon appetit. There you go. There's one way to cook on fire.